guys over here. What's matter? They don't like our burgers?
No, that's what it is. That's what we call it.
Okay.
They're pretty much normal into your pieces like this.
Yeah, it's still out front.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Very good. You having a good time?
Oh yeah, haven't started yet.
Absolutely. Just begun. So anything to say to the newlywed couple?
Oh, I hope they be happy.
That is perfect. Oh, you know what? I'm realizing something. We got to start that over again. Take two. You having a good time?
I'm having a good time.
You got anything to say to the newlywed couple?
I just hope they be happy together.